Hey guys, it's Emily. I have some amazing new releases to show you. If you love to personalize your jewelry just as much as I do, you are going to love this new style. This is the creation. Here's the best part. Each bracelet includes an engraved crescent, so you can choose whatever you'd like your bracelet to say, whether it's your best friend, or maybe you want to get the little hearts and say love with someone's name on it. I love this guy. It says Max with some paw prints. Maybe you want to represent or remember your favorite pet. I think that's a super cute way to do that. It's super easy to put on. They've got the nice oversized clasps. These look super cute stacked with our other bracelets. I really recommend the Joy collection. These are all adjustable bracelets, but I love how much you can customize and create your own look. I have the Happy, I have one of our creations, and then this is the Wisdom. Today I'm also coordinating my look with the Lizzy Classic, and I'm also wearing some pepper earrings. I just have a nice little day's dress on. I think this is like the perfect little light summer look, but it's still glammed up, very personalized, definitely my own style. All the information on all of the wraps you've seen here, including the brand new Creations collection, I have added all the links below. If you don't already, make sure you're following us on Instagram, Facebook. We just started a Tumblr account. Make sure to tag us on all the social media sites. We would love to see what you are up to and how you are styling your Lizzy James jewelry. Thank you so much, everybody. I hope you have a beautiful day.